Hello students, as we know we had already discussed about kinds of present tense in first video. Now we will discuss about kinds of past tense in this video. So let us see kinds of past tense. There are four kinds of past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Now, first of all, we will discuss about a structure of simple past tense. Now, see the affirmative structure of simple past tense. Subject plus V2 plus object. He wrote a letter. Now, see the negative structure of simple past tense. Subject plus did not plus V1 plus object. She did not write a letter. Now see the interrogative structure of the simple past tense. Did plus subject V1 plus object. Did Mohan go to school? Now we will discuss usage of simple past tense. Simple past tense is used to describe an action that happened in the past. As for example, he came yesterday. It is also used to describe repeated action in the past. We studied 8 hours every day. Students, now we will discuss indicators of the simple past tense. Now see the indicators. Yesterday, last day, last month, last year, ago, etc. ये सभी इम्पोर्टेंट इंडिकेटर्स हैं सिंपल पास्ट के. इसके माध्यम से आप सिंपल पास्ट टेंस पहचान सकते हैं. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अफर्मेटिव स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ past continuous tense. Subject plus was slash were, V1 plus ing plus object. Sita was playing a guitar. Now see the negative structure of the past continuous tense. Subject plus was slash were plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object. Mohan was not playing a guitar. Now see the interrogative structure of the past continuous tense. Was slash were, subject plus V1 plus ing plus object and put the question mark. Was Mohan playing a guitar? Now we will discuss usage of the past continuous tense. Now see the usage of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is used to show an action in progress at some moment in the past. As for example, the engine was whistling. Now see another example. They were playing at 5 o'clock. Past continuous tense is also used to show the continuity of two or more actions at the same time in the past. They were talking when he was teaching. It is also used to describe a past action which is often repeated. He was always frowning at his children. It is also used to describe a continuing action in the past as the other related action is complete. As he was telling us a joke, she stole in. Indicators of past continuous tenses are as same as present continuous tense. Students, आप ध्यान रखेंगे कि जो इंडिकेटर्स प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का होता है वही पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस का भी होता है. नाउ सी द अफर्मेटिव स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट. Subject plus had plus V3 plus object. Mohan had written a letter. Now see the negative structure of past perfect tense. Subject plus had plus not V3 plus object. He had not written a letter. Now see the interrogative structure of past perfect. Had plus subject, V3 plus object. Had he played a guitar? Now we will discuss usage of past perfect tense. Now see the usage of past perfect tense. It shows just completed action of the past. He had eaten a mango. It is also used to describe an action in the past before another action in the past began. The bell had rung when we entered the school. It is also used to denote past desire which remained unfulfilled. I wish I had met her in my youth. Now see its another uses. In the conditional clauses, it is also described to something which did not really happen. If he had met us, we would have helped him. Now see the indicators of the past perfect tense. Already, yet, until, since, so far, as, before, recently, just up to now, for many months, for many years, etc. ये सभी important indicators हैं जिसके माध्यम से आप past perfect tense को. Now we will discuss the structure of past perfect continuous tense. Now see the affirmative structure of past perfect continuous tense. Subject plus had been, V1 plus ing plus for/since plus object. He had been living here for 4 years. Now see the affirmative structure of see the negative structure of past perfect continuous. Subject plus had, not plus been, plus V1 plus ing plus for/since plus object. He had not been living here for 4 years. Now see the interrogative structure of past perfect continuous tense. Had plus subject, been plus V1 plus ing plus for/since plus object. Had he living here for 4 years. Now see the usage of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to describe an action that began before a certain moment in the past and continued up to that moment or stopped just before it. When he arrived, we had been waiting for him since last week. Now see the another usage of past perfect continuous tense. It is also used to describe a repeated action in the past perfect. She had tried many times to learn classical dance. Here you see, she had been trying to learn classical dance. Now see the indicators of the past perfect continuous tense. All day, the whole day, since, and questions begin with how long. ये सभी important indicators हैं. आप इसके माध्यम से past perfect continuous tense easily पहचान सकते हैं.